Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to clock in and out with Paylocity. So if your employer uses Paylocity for time tracking, then just follow along. First, open the Paylocity app and sign in. Then go to the time clock or time and attendance section. When you begin work, tap clock in, and if your employer requires location services, make sure GPS is enabled on your phone. Then at the end of your shift, return to the same screen and tap clock out, and double check that your punches have been recorded correctly before closing the app. And if you accidentally miss a punch, contact a manager or follow your company's correction process. So that was how to clock in and out with Paylocity. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.